What do we have here? Whoa!
It's a basket.
Oh, two baskets!
Whoa! Is that a white Washington?
Is that what you wanted for Christmas, little boy?
Oh. Upside down. What is it? Oh, stand it up. What is that?
It's a Washington.
Whoa, thank you.
I don't know what to say. It has buttons.
Ho ho ho!
What do you tell Santa?
Thank you.
Oh.
How do I open the door?
Oh.
Do you have a little sister?
Oh, do you have a little sister, he asked? Say yes, Santa, I do.
I have a present for her. I have a present for her.
Thank you, Santa.
Oh.
Yeah, Gaia, it's a present.
That's very nice.
Oh.
Of the Washington.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
There's soap on it. Let's take the back.
Alright.
Well, Santa Claus, you hit the jackpot.
I guess I better get going. I still got more presents to deliver.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas,
Merry
Santa.
Christmas, Santa.
And Merry Christmas to you too.
Here's there.
I think I got it. I think I did. I think I did.
Let's check it out. Did Santa bring you a white washing machine? Can you believe Santa came to see you?
Look it, it's a white Washington.
Oh, look at that.
And it has a turtle on the top.
Oh my gosh, this is cool.
Oh my, what, can the door open? Here.
I don't know what that.
Oh, it
That's
spins.
amazing.
Oh. Some of it. She's not done and she's still eating.
Are you done? Now let's
How
see,
the
does it
heck?
have a place for soap?
Do I get this?
I just met Santa Claus outside.
Tell Grandpa what Santa brought you.
What did he bring you?
It's a white Washington.
Oh my gosh. What else did Santa bring you?
I think you put him down there. Go get him and show Grandpa. Grandpa didn't get to see what you got.
It's a white Washington. See, that closes the door and opens the door.
Well, you better go see what's by your...
shadow.
Oh,
See?
oh my gosh. Turn it
Mom,
Yep.
we will have to put clothes in.
Well, take your socks off.
Better wash them.
What's Drea got?
Oh, my.
Want to take a picture of your washing machine? Take a picture of your washing machine. Oh. Say sneeze Louise.
Turn it the other way, Onyx.
I think you took a picture of yourself. For a sec.
Hannah didn't get the water out.
How does it get the water out? It must spin. Does it have to, you have to punch a button to make it spin?